Alright everyone, hello. Today we're going to learn how to add a sound effect into your project in Soundtrap. So first of all, you're just going to log into Soundtrap and go to your dashboard as always. And then you just find your project that you're working on and go to the studio. Alright, now from here what you want to do is you want to go over to the right side of your screen where you see these two music notes and you're going to click on that. And what this section is it is pre-made loops that you can use. So once you're in the loop section, what you want to do is you want to go to the sounds category. And then within the sounds category, you can search specific sounds you want, or you can just scroll through and find something that looks interesting. So for example, here's some airport terminal noises. And yeah, you can just scroll through, find something you want, or search by an idea you have, like say you have a farmyard kind of setting in your show, you can search cow. And then here are 9 different options for cow noises. So just choose whatever sounds best to you.